What's happening, guys? It's Jay Riggs from Riggs Fabrication. Today we're going to talk about a new project that just came into the shop, the 70 K5 Blazer. Hey guys, Jay Riggs, Riggs Fabrication. What's happening, guys? Jay Riggs here, Riggs Fabrication, Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're talking about wrapping up the 1970 K5 Blazer we've been working on. We went and looked at this truck before we brought it in. When it was on its chassis, you couldn't see the rust underneath, and we said like the best way to handle repainting this truck is to sandblast it. That way we know everything about what's going on. And it had paint on it. It wasn't terrible looking. When we sandblasted it, we found out that whoever had repainted the vehicle, they put an outer rocker on, but there was no inner rocker at all. A very important part of the structure. When they did the rockers, they didn't repair the inner rockers. So when we got the truck sandblasted, someone had put on a new outer rocker, but they never replaced the inner rocker. So there's an outer rocker and inner rocker as part of the structure. And on these trucks, they have what's called a rocker box, which is another structural piece because it's a convertible. And those usually fill up with mud, and they're rotted too. We weren't able to see those things until we took the truck apart. Once we did, we found out there was a whole bunch more rust inside that had been covered up by the previous restoration. So basically, whoever had restored the truck however many years ago just didn't address all the rust inside the truck. So we were really behind on our budget and our timeline for the truck as far as rust repairs were concerned. And then on this one, our job was basically to get it painted, get the trim on it, have the engine, transmission, transfer case bolted up, and then it's going to go home, and the owner is really excited to be able to do the wiring and the finish out of the truck and interact with us as he needs parts and a little bit of technical help. So we're excited to get this back in his hands so that he can enjoy the DIY part of the build. So not every project in our shop are we doing from start to finish. We get asked that all the time if we'll paint other people's cars or only do a portion of the work, and the answer is yes. While we would love to finish this one, we really are excited. The owner is passionate about doing a lot of the work himself, can't wait to get his hands on it, and we respect that. That's exactly how I started, was in my garage with my own hands, building my own car. And so if somebody just wants to come in and have us do the heavy part, the rust repair, the paint, the trim assembly, get the glass in, and then send it home, we're 100% fine with that. So just keep an eye on some of the other things coming out of the shop, and if we get update pictures on this one, we'll put them on our social media as well.